Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I got my Ipsy PR for the month of February. I'm loving the packaging. This is a month of love. So we got lots of hearts and red and pink. My favorite color is pink. But you know, I like the pink and the red. Pink and red is a beautiful look together. Now, if you guys want to know what I got in my Ipsy PR for the month of February, then as always, keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I figured that since I'm doing Ipsy PR and it's like heart themed, I figured I wear my heart themed shirt for Valentine's Day as well, and my red beret. You guys, if you follow me on my channel, you guys know I am a beanie girl and I am a beret girl. I just love to accessorize. I'm super girly girl. With a twang, a tomboy sometimes. I have a little punky side as well. But overall, I'm very girly, so any opportunity to be in theme with Valentine's Day, here your girl is. So let's get into the PR that I received. Before I just get into it, I just also wanted to just, quickly welcome anyone new to my channel. If you haven't been on my channel before, welcome. My name is Aisha. I love all things makeup related, beauty related. This is majority of beauty content channel. If you want to show your girl some love and support, make sure you smash that like button. Leave a comment down below. And if you really love me, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. And thanking you guys in advance because I know you're going to love me. So now we're going to get into this PR box that I received. So the card says Ipsy Full Heart. So that is the theme for the box. Usually in subscription boxes, there's some type of theme to the box. So that's the theme. Now, Ipsy their cards used to say everything on them. I don't think they do that anymore. But it just tells you, I guess they have some contests going on here, but it's nothing about the actual things that's inside. So let's talk about how stinking cute the makeup bags are for this month. I'm absolutely loving the theme red and pink hearts. Do you guys ever eat those heart-shaped candies that they only come out in Valentine's Day? I always get them and I'm like, why did I even get this? I always forget how bad they taste. Anybody like those type of candies? I personally, I don't like them. But nevertheless, I don't know what was supposed to be from the Ipsy Glam Bag or the Plus because they literally just put most of the stuff all together. There are some things that they put in here, but sometimes I never know what is what because like I said, it's all in one box. But usually the Ipsy Glam Bag, it's 5 full size, and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is 5 full size items. So that's how I kind of like to deter what was in what. Now, I wrote down the prices because they changed the prices went up. So I want to make sure I tell you guys the right prices. So this went up to $13. It went up a couple of months ago, I want to say. I don't remember when, but I just want to make sure I tell you guys the right prices. And this one is now $28. They used to be $25. What I like about the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is you get to choose 3 items in your bag. So 9 times out of 10, you're gonna love everything in here. For the Glam Bag, you only get to choose 1 item, but I like that you have the option of being able to choose things in your subscription box, because back in the day, you didn't get a choice, and now you get to have at least, you're gonna like something. Alrighty, so I'll just start off with the smaller bag for now. Let's see what we got in here. Alrighty, so look at the tassel, guys. It's like gold and it says Ipsy on it, which is kind of cute. Hopefully you guys can see that. And let's see. So I have a mini Fix Plus spray, which is kind of cute, like for travel if you don't want to carry. I do use Fix Plus spray. I mean, I have so many types now that like I don't know if I necessarily go to this one anymore because I have so many. But I remember back in the day, this used to be an OG finishing spray, the Fix Plus spray. So it comes in a cool little box. So this is cute little mini. I'm going to save it, I think, for when I travel, so I don't have to carry like a full size. So that's the first thing I got in here, which I love and I would actually use. The next thing I see in here is a Roller Lash Mascara, which I believe is like a curling mascara. I have to try this again. I love the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. That's like my favorite mascara from Benefit now. But a lot of people love this mascara, so I want to try it again just to see, you know, how I feel about it. Because I've only used this once. I don't remember if I recall if I love this mascara or not. But this is what it looks like. It's like a little mini size. I will not be opening this up because you guys already know I have a lot of makeup subscription boxes. And I get a lot of mascaras because unfortunately a lot of the subscriptions give mascaras or eyeliners. So I have a lot. So I don't like to open them until I actually use them so they don't dry out as fast. The next thing I got in here is a Context. Is this a lipstick, I want to say? I don't know. We're going to find out together. Let's see what this is. But it's by the brand Context. So it was a lipstick. This is not really my type of color for my skin tone. I would never wear this color. So I'll save it for when I do my 2K giveaway. I'll add that in there. The next thing I got is a Radical Difference Serum, which I've never heard of this brand. Gold Fitting MD, never heard of it. The next thing I got is the Removal List with kaolin clay and zinc. A detoxifying clay mask for a complete clean out. Okay, so I got a mask. So if this was everything that was supposed to be in here, which I think it is because this is all deluxe size items, I like it for the most part because it was majority makeup. Now if it was majority skincare, I would be a little salty, but it was only 2 things that were skincare. And I do like clay masks, but it's just I have so much skincare. For 2022, my goal is to use up a lot of my stuff. So I will be giving a lot of stuff away this time around this year. But this is the 2 skincare items. And then I got 3 makeup items. So it's not too bad for me because it's always a win when it's more makeup than skincare. Alrighty, so now we're going to get into the Glam Bag Plus here, which is supposed to be full-size items. So I love when I get brushes. This is by the brand Firma. It's 3 brushes. I love getting brushes. I can never have too much brushes. Well, you can never have too much makeup in general, right? You can have too much of anything, right? Well, at least for me. So we got 3 eye brushes that came in plastic, so they were sealed and packaged very nicely. So these are the 3 brushes that they gave us. We got like, it looks like a concealer brush, eyebrow for under the brow, sorry, I can't talk, brush, and a smudger brush. So those are the 3 I love so far. Then what is this? This is a Lotus Renewal Face Cream by Yenza. I've received a lot of Yenza stuff from, like, I want to say like Ipsy. You guys already know anything that I get that's skincare, I do give away because I have too much skincare. The only skincare I keep in my subscription boxes is if it's something that I really always wanted to try. But unfortunately, this is not something I always want to try, so I will be giving this away. But the Yenza products that I have received from Ipsy, I will say I actually loved. I've received Yenza lip glosses, like lip oils. Also, I received it's like a pumpkin turmeric mask, which I actually really did like. So their stuff is great. It's just I have too much stuff and I'm trying to, you know, finish everything out. And then I'll start, you know, using more new stuff. The next thing I got is by Brija. How do you pronounce this? I'm not even gonna pronounce it. Byroe. It's a Fig Renewal oil. I don't want to butcher the name because then you have those commenters who say,
"Oh, you pronounced it wrong. It's actually pronounced blah 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 blah."
As if they never pronounce anything wrong in their life. Like thank you so much. But the packaging of this is really cute. It looks like it was used a little bit though, because look, it's all the way down here. For me just opening this up, it's not even all the way up to the top. Can you guys tell? Yeah, I could see in the monitor that you can see like it's like it starts kind of low, which is weird, but love the packaging. It's a pink bottle, pink and gold. It's giving me little bougie vibes. I'm loving this. My skin is oily, but I mean, I will try some oils I use at night because in the morning it makes my makeup go on like butter. So I'll hydrate my skin at night, but I don't put too much hydration on in a day because my skin looks oily like 0 to 100 real quick. So, but this is cute. I'm here for it. But now I'm skeptical. Do I try it because it looks a little low? But maybe that's how they just sent it. I don't know. How does the packaging come? Oh, it's like a little. This is like a little stopper on it. Okay. So the next thing I got is by Beauty For Real. It is a black liner and it looks like a white eyeliner. So I'm not gonna open these up yet because I have so many eyeliners too, and I do believe that like when you open the stuff up, it starts to kind of dry out. So I try to keep my stuff sealed if I know I want to use them. The next thing I got is a eyeshadow palette. It says Ditto on it. Let's see what it looks like. I've never heard of this brand, but you know, some of my best palettes have been from brands that I didn't know from subscription boxes. I'm loving the packaging. Look at this packaging, guys. She is giving me goddess vibes. She's giving me princess vibes. I am here for it. Let's see what the actual colors look like. Oh my goodness, wow. So there's a mirror here, and then this is what the colors look like, which is definitely my cup of tea. These are the colors. Look at the chrome shadows. Like this one I love. I can't wait to try that. I can't wait to try that, and I can't wait to try that. But this palette's beautiful. Like I said, some of my favorite palettes have been like from like Ipsy or any like indie subscription box. They have good shadows too that people sleep on and half the price. So I would say my favorite thing out of the, well actually I have 3 favorites. I love, well actually two. Love this palette. This is my top number 1 from everything I got. But then you guys know I love brushes, so super excited for these 2. Now I will use the oil and I will use the liners because I mean, who doesn't need another black liner or like a white liner for the waterline? So I will definitely use this. The only thing I'm going to give away from the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is the face cream because I have too many. What did you guys think about my bags that I received? When you get PR from Ipsy, you don't get to do like the survey so they can know like what your skin type is or anything like that. They just give you an array of stuff that somebody could or could not get in their bag. So beggars really can't be choosers. You're getting something for free. So for example, like they wouldn't know that I don't really like too much moisturizers because I didn't do a survey. But it's just, you know, it's a good way for me to try stuff that I wouldn't normally try because I like that they just send random stuff because I know from past subscription boxes, I'll always pick the same type of stuff. And then now that I don't get a chance to pick anything, I've actually like fell in love with some stuff that I would have never normally chose. So that's really about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing for you guys. Thank you guys for your support. Anybody who's watching who loved this video, like I said previously, don't feel afraid to show your girl some love and give me a little like, give me a comment, and hey, subscribe while you're at it too. You might as well, right? And that's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.